In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Warzone 3 PS5. So all you have to do is just to open your PlayStation Store, as you can see in this picture. So you have to click this PlayStation Store and then search for Call of Duty or Warzone. Warzone for specific and fast searching. So as you can see, we search Warzone and it will appear in below. And once you have seen the Warzone, it will also opens the Call of Duty store page. As you can see, there are many Call of Duty games, and just click on the first result that says Call of Duty with a tag of PS5 or PS4. As you can see in here, just click that and click on more option, and you can see the select version, which allows us to see more versions of Call of Duty. And you should click the download the COD HQ PS5. As you can see, just download that, the Call of Duty PS5, and you will get three results. And you could see the Call of Duty PS5 and select COD HQ, and it will begin the download process. And this step is not required if you have already selected the PS5 version. So you can directly click on download and select COD HQ, and then open COD HQ and navigate to Warzone. As you can see, this is the Call of Duty HQ, and you can see the Warzone in it. And select any of the Warzone game modes and just install the Warzone and manage files. Just install the Warzone, and in the Warzone selection, select any of the game modes. When you do that, you will get manage file screen. So select it and you will be taken to the file manager, where you will find Warzone not installed. So this is where you have to install the Warzone after you have installed the Call of Duty HQ. And then as you can see in here, Call of Duty Warzone is appearing, and this is where you download your Warzone. And after that, once it's installed, you can directly play the Warzone on your PS5, and that's it.